You want to create a faceless movie recap channel, but are worried about copyright and confused about whether such channels monetize? So, take a look at these channels. This mystery recap channel has more than 3.5 million subscribers and millions of views on videos. This is a complete movie recap channel. Similarly, this other channel, Movie Recap, has more than 2.21 million subscribers. And here too, you can find recap videos of different movies, and you can also see views on their videos. It's not just these, you can see some more channels here with subscribers in the thousands and millions of views on videos. The reason is simple. It's a category where people's interest never ends, and you can also call it an evergreen category. Now, you might ask, do such channels also monetize? Are they making money? Yes, they are making some serious money. According to Social Blade, every channel here is making thousands of dollars every month. And whatever I have shown you in terms of earnings, all these channels monetize. And if not, do you think they would be wasting their time making videos? So, let's talk about copyright, which can be a significant issue in this category. If you don't have proper knowledge, how do you create a channel, avoid copyright, and monetize it with a 100% guarantee? And what is the formula or secret that these channels are following, earning so much money, and also avoiding copyright? I will tell you everything step by step. Watch the complete video. If you miss a single step, you may face problems later. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, you need to download the web series or movie that you want to make a review about. You can download it from the internet. Go to Google and search and download it from there. You guys are smart enough to figure that out. You will find many sites from where you can download the entire web series or movies. For example, I will create a review on this movie named Jawan, so I have downloaded the full movie. Download it from the website you want, and now, let's move on to the next step. Now you need a script for your video, and for that, you have two options to get it. The first is that you watch the entire movie or web series yourself, and then write a proper synopsis or recap on it. This is the most unique and best way, although it's not easy. If you don't have a bit of writing experience, then you have another option, which is going to the IMDb site, which is a very famous movie site. You may already know that. Search for the movie you want to write a script on here, and here you will find movies in Hindi, English, and all other languages. So for example, I searched for Jawan movie, because I'm currently making a video on it. It's already here. Scroll down to find the plot synopsis and summary option. As you can see here, generate it and copy it from here. You must not blindly copy-paste it into your script. Otherwise, it might lead to copyright issues. To avoid that, copy it from here and paste it again on ChatGPT. From here, you will get a unique and copyright-free plot synopsis, which you can use in your video without any issues. Just make sure it's around 8 to 1,000 words. Keep in mind, if you want to make a video of 10 to 12 minutes, then our script is ready. So now we need audio for our video. For that, I will be using 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs. If you don't have an account, simply sign up and choose the voice from the list of available voices. I would recommend using deep voices. After that, paste the plot synopsis that we generated using ChatGPT and click on Generate, so our voiceover is also ready. Now let's move to the last step, which is to edit the video. For editing, open the CapCut app on your phone or PC. First, click on Input and upload your video and the audio file of the recording here. After uploading the video file, adjust the time on the timeline below. The following steps are essential, so pay close attention. If you make a mistake here, you will get a copyright, and you might face a monetization problem as well. First, choose the aspect ratio of the video. We've selected 16.9. After that, click on the audio. Mute the audio here because we don't want the original sound from this downloaded movie video. Then align the audio file of your recording with the timeline. My audio file looks small here due to this demo, but you need to understand the process. You don't have to upload the entire movie, never do that. Pay extra attention to this because 90% of creators make this mistake, leading to copyright issues, and the channel doesn't get monetized. Now, split the main parts we need, arrange them according to the audio, and follow the 5-second rule for any clip. Every 5 seconds, a new clip should be there. You have to split and delete the rest. Be sure to keep each duration up to 5 seconds or less. Now, in this clip, let's add a filter so that this original video becomes a bit more distinct. Choose any filter from the filter options and apply it to the video. This will make the video unique. If you want, you can also add some effects to the video. There are many options here. Feel free to apply them. After this, between each scene, you can add transitions to make the video even more appealing. Choose a transition and apply it between them, as you can see. Finally, if you want to add background music to this video when uploading the video, add music from the YouTube library, and you won't face any copyright issues. Now, this video is entirely ready. Download it by exporting it. The first video of your YouTube movie recap channel is ready to go live. I'll play a bit of this video for you to get a better idea. If you have any questions or issues, you can comment below. Azad, Shah Rukh Khan, presides as the stern jailer of a women's prison in Mumbai, where he orchestrates a daring plan to hijack a Mumbai metro train alongside a diverse group of 6 inmates. The eclectic team includes Lakshmi, Priyamani, the nurturing mother figure, Aram, Sanya Malhotra, the skilled medic, Ishkra, Girija Oak, the artistic soul, Kalki, Lehar Khan, the munitions expert, Helena, Sanjita Bhattacharya, the adept hacker, and Janvi, Alia Qureshi, the talented composer. Together, they seize control of the metro, holding 376 hostages. Azad, through negotiations with NSG officer Narmada Rai, Nayanthara, demands a staggering Rs 40,000 crores from Agriculture Minister Murari Das, Naresh Gosain, to spare the lives of the passengers. His motive stems from the